Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. I have taken the liberty to speed this video up a little bit. As you can see, I am melting the silver. I just use a bit of my scrap silver and I eyeball about how much I have to use. If you are heating up the silver, keep your flame on one point, so don't move around too much, and make sure that the hottest point of your flame is on the silver. If you want to cast, the silver really does have to look like water. But this is the moment to add the melting powder to ensure a clean melt. If you keep the flame on the silver, you can see it moving around a little bit, like it's dancing. It's getting more watery of texture, and then you have required the right amount of heat. You have to cast in one quick motion while holding the flame on your silver. So don't hesitate, just give it one quick go. Opening up the mold can be such a wonderful but also such a disappointing moment, because you never really know if it worked out until you open it. So here we go. And that is a wonderful result. You can see that it really worked out. And here you have it, the result of your casting. This little button is going to make a beautiful piece of jewelry, and I will show you in my next video how you can get it looking like that.